October is here and the knitting world is absolutely buzzing. From gravity-defying socks to adorable kitten mittens, I've scoured Ravelry to bring you the 20 hottest patterns everyone's talking about. If your needles have FOMO, same, let's fix that. And trust me, when you see pattern number 13, you'll understand why it's breaking the internet. Let's dive in. Welcome back to Ignite Your Inner Artist, your cozy corner for knitting trends, mindful crafting, and creative community. I'm so excited you're here. If you love discovering the hottest Ravelry patterns and connecting with fellow makers, you're in exactly the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our pattern roundups. Let's start with some absolutely stunning pieces that are perfect for those crisp October mornings. Private Garden Shawl by Marcy Mara. Oh my goodness, this one is pure poetry in stitches. If you're craving a mindful, meditative knit that lets you slow down and really savor each stitch, this is absolutely your pattern. The detail work is exquisite, and it's the perfect companion for those quiet October evenings. If your coffee is still hot, your needles aren't moving fast enough. Jaunty by Andrea Mowry. This scarf shows the beautiful texture of half fisherman's rib, creating this wonderful, squishy, cozy fabric that's perfect for fall weather. What I love is how this stitch pattern creates such visual interest without any color work. It's all about that gorgeous texture. Andrea has this incredible talent for making patterns that are technically interesting and incredibly wearable. Sophie scarf. This has been here before. This is by Petite Knit. Simplicity at its best, elegant, quick, and a low mental load. It elevates any outfit and makes an excellent mindful travel project. Sophie is a between rings knit. Start, stop, no brain meld. Now, let's talk sweaters because October is prime sweater season and the queue is absolutely packed this month with some incredible options. The old compass sweater, cozy, classic vibes, with that perfect vintage explorer aesthetic that's so on trend right now. Absolutely perfect for layering. The construction is straightforward enough for intermediate knitters, but the finished result looks incredibly sophisticated. Old Fashioned by Thea Coleman. A stunning drop shoulder pullover with bold cable work and beautiful ribbing details. Timeless and classic with textural elements that really make it stand out. This one screams pumpkin patch selfie, and I'm not mad about it. Step by Step sweater, another returning pattern by Florence Miller. Ideal if you love top down in the round construction. You can try it on as you go and adjust the length. So satisfying to see your progress, and the seamless finish is so polished. Evelyn by Natalie Pellick. Pure romantic elegance, a flowery feminine dress, absolutely perfect for those pumpkin patch photo sessions we all have planned. The silhouette is flattering, and the drape screams autumn sophistication. Rosie by Lynette. Rosie made its premiere on this top on the Hot Right Now last month. It has vintage charm with modern flair. Classic construction with contemporary styling. This is a wardrobe staple you'll reach for again and again. Call of the Wild pullover by Patrick Griffith. Bold, outdoorsy, and absolutely stunning. A dramatic statement with rugged adventure vibes. Perfect for fall hiking or cozy cabin weekends. Ranunculus. Still dominating the charts and for good reason. Airy, floral, endlessly customizable, make it your own with color choices and modifications. It's a consistent favorite for a reason. Cloud Sweater by Petite Knit. Another returning pattern. Lives up to its name, soft, dreamy, and cloud-like comfort we all crave in fall wardrobes. Minimalist and cozy. Facet Sweater by Lynette. A true showstopper. The geometric design is modern, architectural, and absolutely stunning. The kind of sweater that gets compliments everywhere you go. Yeah, let's talk cardigans. Because nothing says October comfort like a perfectly cozy cardigan. Dramatic. The Winter Court Cardi by Dragon Horde Designs. I love that name. Dramatic, drapey, and perfect for curling up with a good book and a cup of tea. It has this flowing quality that makes you feel elegant, even when you're just lounging at home. Perfect striped cardigan by Sweater Freak. Exactly what it sounds like. Perfection in striped form. If you're a stripe lover, like I am, this is about to be your new obsession. The lines are crisp, clean, and endlessly wearable. This is a cardigan I'd wear to judge my stash. Now, let's dive into accessories because sometimes you need a quick, satisfying project that still makes a big impact. Defying Gravity by Lisa K. Ross. Inspired by Wicked, and it truly lives up to its name. An optical illusion in yarn form. Clever, unexpected construction that will have your knitting friends asking,
how on earth did you make that?
Kitchen Catch Mittens by Florence Miller. Absolutely adorable and so playful. A must-have for all the cat lovers in our community. Whimsical without being childish, and they work up relatively quickly. Perfect for gift knitting season. Stephen West's Mystery Cal, or MCal. For those who love surprises and adventure in their knitting, he releases clues gradually, so you're literally knitting blind, trusting the process. The final reveal is always spectacular, and the knit along community energy is magical. Bewitched Sock Set by Stone Knits. Perfect timing for October. Spooky, whimsical color work to get you into the Halloween spirit. The instructions are clear enough for a first colorwork sock adventure. True Crew Sock Set by Summer Lee. Classic comfort with modern flair. These become your favorites fast. Straightforward construction that's great for newer sock knitters, but still looks polished. Finally, we have, and I'm going to ruin this because I don't speak French, but Les Couleurs de Vint by Christelle. This pattern is pure poetry in yarn form. Swirling autumn leaves and painterly color work that looks like it belongs in an art gallery. It's quietly climbing the charts, and I have a strong feeling it's going to be everywhere very soon. The color transitions are breathtaking, and it's the kind of project that really showcases the artistry possible in knitting. You know what I love most about these monthly roundups? Seeing how these patterns inspire all of you in our community. Every single month, I get messages and comments from makers who've discovered their new favorite designer or tried a technique they never thought they could handle. That's what this is all about. Pushing our boundaries, discovering new favorites, and supporting the incredible independent designers who make our craft so vibrant and exciting. I've already added 3 of these to my own queue. Can you guess which ones? I'll give you a hint. One's been dominating the charts for months, one has perfect stripes, and one has vintage charm I can't resist. Let me know in the comments if you can guess. There you have it. 20 patterns that are absolutely setting Ravelry on fire this October. I've organized all the links in the description below by category so you can easily browse shawls, sweaters, cardigans, and accessories. Quick note, size ranges and yardage can change. Always check the designer's page for the most current info. And you may see a few affiliate links. Thank you for supporting indie designers and this channel. Which pattern is calling your name? Are you team sweater, team accessories, or team cast everything on right now? I absolutely love seeing what you're working on. So drop your favorites in the comments below. And if you're planning to start any of these projects, tag me on Instagram. I want to cheer you on. If you discovered a new must knit today, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps other knitters find these amazing patterns. And don't forget to subscribe for more cozy inspiration, trending patterns, and knitting community goodness every week. Don't miss last month's roundup if you haven't seen it yet. Click the video on your screen now and make sure you're subscribed with notifications on so you never miss our weekly dose of knitting inspiration, mindful making tips, and the pattern goodness your heart desires. See you next week for another cozy crafting adventure.